Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP and want to boost its security by moving it from your Phantom wallet to a Ledger Nano X, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest best practices to keep your crypto safe. Why do this? Ledger Nano X offers hardware wallet security, protecting your assets from online threats. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device with some XRP in it, and your Ledger Nano X device unlocked and connected via USB or Bluetooth. Double-check that your Ledger is running the latest firmware. Always update for 2025's enhanced security features. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and navigate to the XRP asset. Select it and choose the Send or Transfer option. Pro tip: always verify your balances to avoid any surprises. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the XRP app. This will display your Ledger's receiving address. Carefully copy this address, never type it manually to prevent errors. Step 3. Back in Phantom, paste the Ledger address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, XRP transactions are super fast, but fees can vary, so aim for the optimal speed. Step 4. Review the transaction details in Phantom, then confirm it. On your Ledger, you'll see a prompt. Use the device buttons to approve the transfer. Once done, sit tight and wait for the blockchain confirmation, which usually takes just a few seconds for XRP. A quick heads up: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication. If you encounter any issues, like a stuck transaction, check the XRP Ledger status online. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely on your Ledger Nano X. This step secures your investments for the long haul. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.